So I want all of you to download the app. You can search the name Shweta Goyal and it will show up like this. I'm not sure why I'm not able to move it. Are you able to come to the welcome page? Anybody not yet downloaded? Yes, first create account. I'll also show in here. Yes, great. So just take 1 more minute. If anybody is facing challenge, do let me know. So here, if you have signed in, it will show up sign in page. Else you do sign in with OTP on the mail, it will come. You or do here this create your account. Click on create your account, put your name, email ID, create your password, phone number, your date of birth, and you can put your city. And then you create your account. So anybody not able to do, I'll do it here. Vishali, are you able to do it?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Vishali Jaiswal, Pranya Mayuri. Yes. Anybody not able to do? Okay, once you will be signed up. Yes, great. So here you will be seeing different tabs: home, goal, invest, cash flow, and more. So click on the cash flow tab. So this cash flow tab is the money management system that we have learned today. In the first here, you will be seeing overview, transaction, insight, and recurring. You can put in your overview here. You don't have to put anything, or here also is the plus sign. You can do that from here also. You can put expense, income, investment, anything. Here you can directly transaction. You can see, you can put here is the insight and recurring. So recurring means every month the same thing happens to you. So let's say salary, your SIPs, your maid ka kharcha, your electricity bill, your child's education fees. So many things happen recurring every month. So what we have to do? First, I want you to come to the recurring. Are you able to see the recurring? Any one of you can unmute so that I can know you are able to follow and see it through. Yes, Vishali. You can unmute yourself so that if anything, you can ask me and I can do the conversation with you. So here you can see the plus sign. Now go to the plus. You can first log in your income. If it is salary income, select salary. It is business income, select business. If it is a rental income, select rental. If FD income from where you are getting return or dividend or anything, then you put returns. So your income, let's say salary, you put whose salary, let's say Vaishali's salary, Tarun's salary, Shweta's, Ritesh, matlab jiska bhi salary hai, put the name. Or if it is from business, which business it is, you put and then put the amount. So this amount you get monthly, weekly or yearly, you can put that. Mostly it will be monthly, and what day you receive it, you put that. And the start month automatically will be June. And for now, you don't do anything in the end month. So salary you put, like for me, I put Ritesh, and let's say whatever he's getting, I'll put it here. It's monthly on first day of the month, start month, and you save the rule. Similarly, for the expenses you do, Is it necessity? Put the description. You can also choose category groceries. Utility means electricity bill, water bill, gas bill. Transport, you can put Uber ka kharcha or fuel and anything. Household, you can put your surf, kitchen, your household things, your maid and all. Personal care, your parlor and all those things. Medical and others. If there is no category you find, you can put in others. If you go in the play, again, play will be having different categories: dining out, entertainment, clothing, travel, hobbies, fun, others. And then you can even put even clothing. Let's say in play, I have put clothing, and then I can also put to remember ki from where what clothing I bought. So let's say Mintra, I bought a dress. So I put like that. Okay, it was a 2000 rupees dress. So I'll put like this. Is it getting clear for all of you? I can't see all of you have become except Vishali. I can't see. Anybody is facing challenge, you let me know. So here for education, you don't have to put your child's education. Child's education will go in the necessity. I want you to try now some of the thing and later you fill in all the things. For now, you put in one income, one two expenses. So recurring page is here. If you just come, it will be showing like overview. When you will click on the cash flow, it will show overview. And then by the right side, it is transaction, insight, and recurring. The fourth tab is of recurring. So in recurring, you can put in how much you are receiving money. If your EMI is there, your maid's kharcha is there, electricity, internet, all those things, your mobile recharge, whatever on a daily basis, like monthly basis you do, you put that. Anybody able to do it? Vaishali, are you able to do it? So if you are putting anything in recurring, then you don't have to put that thing in the transaction. Yes. So let's say this maid, let's say I have put maid Anuradha 5,000 first of every month. So now it will automatically come every month on the first as a transaction. So next month, if you are giving to your maid, you don't have to put. So whatever expenses or income you are putting here in recurring means every month it is happening. So you are doing entry one time and it will repeat on its own every month. Is this thing clear? Okay, Vishali. Okay, first understand, then you can try. If any confusion, you can ask. Then I will also be here for 10 more minutes. So first I want you to set the recurring rule. Every month, whatever is the thing that happens, your income, your expenses, maid, EMI, rent, electricity, mobile, or anything that is recurring, put that. And whatever you are putting in recurring, put the date as well. If you know the date, if you don't know the date, put any random date or put first. And just remember whatever in recurring you are putting, let's say I have put mobile recharge, then I will not put it again when I am doing mobile recharge. So if you want to set recurring rule, if it is feeling easy, you put it, else you can even leave it for now. If it is feeling complicated, you can leave it. But the benefit of it is every month you don't have to put all these expenses again and again. And now here the simple thing is in the transaction, whenever you are paying somebody, you can put in. And here actually also I have integrated this app in a way where I can log in from my account, Ritesh. So here it is Ritesh, Rishit and Shweta. So I can create my own login. I can record my own expenses. Ritesh can do login from his email ID and he can record his own expenses. So you can even do like in a way where even you can have one email ID and you can share with one account with your spouse, or you can do in a way where your spouse can create separate email ID and can create separately. So for now, let's keep it simple. Keep one only under your name. Family thing we will come later. So whatever expenses Ritesh will put from his account, it will show this Ritesh, he has given, he has paid here. So for us, it is becoming little clear who is doing what expenses. So we can see. So earlier, though, it was like all the money and the transaction I was only doing, paying. Now he is also equally doing, taking care of house and the things. So he is also doing a lot of expenses. So that is where I had the idea, okay, let us create this family thing. You can do from your, I can do from mine. So similarly here, if you go here, transaction, let's say here, there is also an option of investment. So let's say if you are doing SIP monthly, don't put any fund's name. You just put the mutual fund. Let's say you are doing in Grow or you are doing with me. Let's say you are doing in Mint. You just put that or you just put with Shweta or whatever is that you want to put, you just put that. Okay, don't put individual fund name, just put mutual fund, stock, or whatever is that you are doing. Put the amount, how much is the amount, and what date you have started. So now we are starting from this month tracking, so you put from this month only. And you can put it frequency, like monthly means recurring, it will happen, it will automatically record every month, you don't need to type. If it is one time, like you are doing one time investment, then you put one time. And then here is the insurance. If you pay for insurance, FD, NPS, stocks, PPF, all these investments also you can record. So my idea actually ultimately is to make it whole system where even whatever money is coming in, it should exactly reflect your investment account, your net worth, and everything should be clearly visible to the person. How much in this month your net worth has increased or reduced? Have you done more spending than the savings? So like this, you can put in. If it is recurring, put monthly. If it is one time, put month time. Let's say you did in March some extra 50,000 PPF investment. So then you can put it that way. So you can record expenses and put the jar, necessity, play, education. EMI I have created separately because some of the people have a lot of EMI so that we can track. EMI is generally part of necessity, but I have created separate categories so that if anybody is having EMI, they can track what is the date and how much is the EMI. That is why I have created it separate. And here also you can choose it is home loan, car loan, personal loan, credit card, BNPL or any other. And then you can put a note. If it is any other, put a note for what this EMI is going. So it is like basically income, investment and expenses. So in expenses only, you will also find the tab of EMI. So if let's say I'm recording, let's say education, and let's say I have paid 50,000 and let's say I have paid to Chirag. So I'll put the name Chirag and I'll just save. And then it will show in the overview. In the overview, if you see, it will show the recent 10 transactions. If you go in the transaction tab, it will show you everything. Whatever entries you have made, it will show everything. So in the transaction, if you will go, if you just choosing expenses, income, it will show you that only what you have put. In the insight, it will show you about the budget. Let's say we had done the budget for the necessity 1,70,000, but we have spent 2,30,000. So we have overspent. It will also show you from Ritesh how much has been gone, from Shweta how much has been gone. हाँ बना दो. It will also show us the category for what category, what expenses has happened, what is our savings rate. And then over the year, all these things will come little layer, matlab year on year tracking. Once we start recording the things, slowly it will come. So, if any confusion right now, you can ask me or you can share yours. I can help you. And I want you to use this app and use this tracking app. So it has been deployed recently. It may be having some glitches or something. If anything you are facing, it is not saving properly or something is not happening properly or you feel something should else also be there, please do message me. Don't Don't feel like, okay, I am facing this. This is a new feature that I have added in my app. So any feedback, any challenge you are facing, if it is understanding, that also you share, or if it is about some glitch, expense not being recorded, investment not being recorded, it's not coming in the recurring one. So you also let me know if anything that you find it out. Is that clear?
How to add different person's name? Like, can you show me by adding one name and deleting one name again? Like you have Shweta, Rishit, and Ritesh. Three
So
accounts, right?
that one up for now you leave. That is the other person has to create account as well. So in this
Oh,
app, same app, if you are creating under, there is an option of family.
okay.
So under family, we can create. Then your husband has to download and create his thing from his email ID. So for now, first step, you do it. And now,
Fine.
first you do it, and then I will also tell about family. If right now I'll tell, it will become little more confusing.
Okay, dear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any other thing? Are you able to do log in and record something? Okay. Anybody has any question? Mayuri, are you able to do it?
I'll do later.
Okay, fine. Okay, so for now, I think we can leave. I'll take a photo, then we will leave. You can turn on the camera.